Hello, good morning, students. I must ask about your well being because, as a teacher, it's my duty and responsibility to know whether you are fine or not. My dear, once again, I am along with the conclusion of the first lesson, The Lost Child by Mulk Raj Anand of Supplementary Reader. Previously, we discussed about the author and about the first character, the lost child. And today we have the second characteristic feature, it is of parents. My dear, how can we deny the role of parents in our life? We cannot deny it because we see our parents play a very important role in our life, or whatsoever we are today is the result of their dedication and what they thought for future. As a future generation, the parents always think what would be the goal, destination of my wards, of my children, and for that they spare their time, invest their money, and pay their full attention to bring certain reforms and to make their ward as a good citizen. My dear, today we shall discuss about the parents. Commonly, parents are praiseworthy. They always look for their ward, their children. They love, they take proper care, they provide everything required for them. My dear, here in the story, we see there was a little child. He was taken to the village fair by his parents, and a little bit we may blame the parents that they became careless and lost their child. But we cannot deny that the child was also much more nuttiest as a child is. He was much more fascinated with the things kept in the fair, snake charmers, sweet soap, flute sellers, flower soaps, and the crowd of elderly people as well as of local children. My dear, we can say that parents are not so much careless and they do not want to lose anything. And here we cannot complain against them that it was their mistake that made the child lost. My dear, nowadays we see children are much more clever, intelligent, but they have their own childhood. They like to spend it accordingly. The boy was taken to the fair only to entertain, although he demanded a lot of things, but his parents denied and refused. So he was sure that my parents would not purchase a lot of things. But how can he lose his childhood? He was a child, and so naturally he stayed before the soaps where other children were also standing. They all were taking much more interest. They were taking fun, and so the character did. My dear, we see that as children feel a deep sense of protection, so the boy was sure that I am being taken proper care, I am being looked after. They think none can harm. We cannot deny the importance of parents. My dear, we can say that parents are perennial and cordial source of pleasure, means of joy, as they do a lot for their children. Sometimes they show their negative response, which is very harmful. And here in this story, we can say that there might be a sort of negligence, even unwillingly, but that led them all towards shocking news. The child was restless, weeping and crying, and was eager to meet with his parents. He had only one desire, one demand, to meet with his parents. Another side, we can feel, we can say that the parents were also restless by losing their word. So, no one is to blame, but to lament a lot for the sense of negligence they made. We can blame both the child and his parents. The parents must take proper care as they were taking, but unfortunately, they lost the child, and we see here there are some salient features mentioned, or these are always in our mind, that our parents are next to God. They are the first well wisher. They take proper care. They do everything for us. So, how can we refuse to act against them? My dear, I think at home you are taking proper care of your study, and parents are also too much anxious about you. Very often they ask whether the school would resume its schedule, or will remain the same. My dear, we people get frightened by the lurking fear of death, which has come in the form of COVID 19. But God says in the Bhagavad Gita, Amritam chaiva mrituscha ahameva sra Arjuna. O Arjun, I am life and I am death, and you all are Amritasya putra. So nobody can kill you, and you cannot meet with your death without my will. So nothing to fear. but it does not mean we should be very careless. We have our hygienic instructions. We must wash our hand, use mask, stay at home, and if it is much more necessary, you go outside for a certain thing, taking proper care, and then come safe. I hope you all are doing same. With these words, I wish you a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you.